Hey, what is up guys, this is Ronald here from EcomGan. So in this video I will show you how you can remove negative reviews on your product. So of course, as you might have already know, reviews are very important. So it is what actually makes our product as an asset. So whenever our product, let's say it crosses like 15-20 reviews, so our work will basically be in Amazon FBA to restock that particular product. And of course we can manage advertisement campaigns, we can change the custom packaging, optimize the listing and all. But that's it. Once the product is launched, we will be having very less reviews, of course zero reviews. So once it crosses like 15-20 reviews and it is ranked on the first page, that is when we can treat our product as an asset. So reviews are very important. So initially if we get negative reviews, it really hurts our business and product. So in this video I will show you the methods which I personally use to remove negative reviews. So everything is a part of the business, so we have to know what we have to do if we face such situations. So yeah, if you think if you got any fake negative reviews, or else your competitors are trying to put fake reviews on your product, negative reviews of course. So these are the strategies which you can use. Or else if naturally if any negative reviews came just because customers are upset, because of any it might be any reasons, so then also what you can do, so I'll show in this video. So yeah, I'll just take an example. So obviously a classic example is yoga mat. So in this product, let's just quickly go to the negative reviews. Here we can see 1 star. So yeah, here the first review you can see Nikhil Goyal. So obviously some people will leave the negative review with their name only. If that is the case, then what I personally do is, so we can find them on Instagram or else Facebook. So if they are both the name, like here Nikhil Goyal, it is clearly mentioned. So I just type that on my Instagram. Obviously my product, whichever product I sell, I will be having a brand Instagram account. So whichever my brand is there, I have my social media like a Facebook page and Instagram account. Most probably Instagram will be much more comfortable to reach out. So what I will do is, through my brand I will reach out to that person. If I get their name and randomly searching, of course sometimes it is not possible in every situation, but still we can give it a try. We can contact them, we can tell them you have given a negative review, how we can improve. We should not incentivize, that is again against the policy of Amazon. But we can ask them, we can politely ask them that how we can help, so that whatever that you have faced as a customer, how we can help to improve your experience. So naturally if they come to know because of the leaving negative review that we have reached out to them, so the chances are there they will be willing to change their negative review into 5-star review, or else remove their negative review. So that is one that is one solution. And also one more thing is, in my product basically I always put product insert, and make our customer to follow my Instagram account, or else I'll give them free ebooks or else warranty, which they can claim through landing page, which of course I'll be linked to a scanner, which again I'll be printing it on my product insert. So obviously that at that time also we can collect our customer data, we get their number, name, or else on Instagram. So that time we can politely reach out to them, and we can help them how we can ask them how we can improve their experience. So that way we can remove the negative reviews. So one more thing is, we have to go into our sellers account and we can reach out to Amazon seller support. I'll show you how we can do that. So here you can see I'm on Amazon. So this is the account which which we use to manage other people's account, like in our done for you service, mentorship program and all. So obviously all those links you can find in our description below. So here first thing I'll show you the sales. So today's sales is 14 units sold, 14 units sold, 37,000 sales. And if I go to last 7 days, 3,20,000, 30 days, 5,58,000. I'll refresh it once again for you. Yeah, 37,000 today so far. If I go to last 30 days, 5,58,000, so which is pretty good. So here what you have to do is basically, if you get negative reviews and you have to reach out to Amazon seller support, is you have to go to help. So this method usually works when you are when you think that the negative review is given by your competitor, or else fake negative review has been given. So at that particular time you can use this method. This also pretty much works every time. So after clicking help, you have to go here, selling on Amazon, and here you have to go to browse for your issues in the menu, and here product listings or inventory, then here product reviews. So here you can see already it is mentioned ASIN of the product. So suppose, as we took this example, we have to pick the ASIN of the product. We can find it here. So here you can see we just have to copy it and paste it here. Again, I'm just showing it to you guys, I'm not actually doing it. Title of the review, you can show here the title of the review, which is disappointing. Title of the review, we can find it here, disappointing durability. Again, we just have to copy it and paste it here. Name of the reviewer, Nikhil Goyal, so which we can find it here, so that we have to mention here. The date also we can find here, see 22 September 2023, that we have to mention. And direct link, so we just have to copy this URL. This URL we have to copy here, copy it, and we have to paste it here. And required action, we just have to mention there the review which here the person has given. I believe that it is negative, fake negative review, and our competitor is trying to do that. We just have to honestly tell it to the seller support, and we have to and we just have to send it. So Amazon will go through that particular review and check it. Most probably 90-95% 90 to 95% of the time, 90 to 95% of the time, especially if your product is new, the negative review will disappear after 5 to 7 days. So this is one of the best methods that I use to remove negative reviews on my product. So hope you guys, if you are existing seller, please use this method, and let me know whether it worked for you. So that's it for this particular video, guys. If you want to check all my resources, it is in my description. You can learn Amazon FBA e-commerce, and also reach out to me through my application, basically EcomGAN. Again, it is in my description below. And you can follow me on Instagram. I'll be usually active there. So that's it for this particular video, guys. See you in the next video.